Hello everybody. So we're gonna make some dairy-free low Fodmap, so no garlic and no onion. I'm trying to think of anything else here. Alfredo sauce. Goodness. Okay, so I have a can of coconut milk in here, and I'm gonna get the heat turned on to this. To this, I am going to add some spices. Now, if you wanted to, if you don't need to make this low Fodmap, put a couple tablespoons of olive oil in the pan, about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, give them a little fry, and then add this. But we're not doing that. So, I like to add about a tablespoon or so of dehydrated red and green peppers, just because it looks nice and it's tasty. We're gonna add, you can use chili powder. I'm using chipotle chili pepper. I'm gonna put in about a 1/4 teaspoon for some heat. About a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Actually, I'm not gonna add the black pepper. Then we want a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. But we're going to add the mayonnaise once this gets heated through a little bit. Oh, I forgot. Hang on. I got to get the rice flour in there. I forgot about that. Rice flour is going to help thicken this up. You want about a tablespoon of that. You can use cornstarch or potato starch, whichever you want to. I just find that this works just as easy. Okay, so I'm going to bring you guys back in about 2 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, this is thickened up quite nicely now. And those peppers are rehydrated up again. Now we're going to add in that 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Okay. Now we stir this in. I might need my whisk actually. Oh, maybe not. This is working. Okay. And this is where you're going to want to give it a taste and make sure that it tastes right. It's a big thing there. All right. Let's see. Yum. Okay, so I'll bring you guys back when this is all done and I have the spaghetti in there. Alright, so I've got my pasta cooked. Now we're just going to get this all mixed in there. And I did add a little bit of mustard powder because I forgot my mustard powder. Okay. Now we just want to get this all stirred in. I'm hoping I don't have enough. Oh, I do. Oh. One moment. Okay, I don't know what I was saying, but neighbor needed a can opener, so I had to answer the door. But anyway, so there we go. This is all nicely sauced up. Beautiful ratio too. You can see that lovely sauce to noodle ratio. Perfect. You can't get that if you crack open a jar. I know you can, but anyway. So I just got to finish cooking my dinner, which I'm assuming you guys are probably going to want to see in the end. So I will bring you back when everything is plated up. Okay, so dinner is now done, and I have an angry teenager because the smoke detector keeps going off. But there it is. The noodles, pork chop, and some garden vegetables, I think is what they're called. What? Yes, okay. So there we go. Nice, simple, dairy-free Alfredo sauce. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.